Okay, next program is Torres County Visa Center. April 2002. Input format is the input consists of an integer applicant value. Output is this format. What is the input? 345567. Output is 245567. Output is 354476. That means if even digit, you can convert it into +1. If odd digit, you can convert it into -1. That is our requirement. అంటే అక్కడ డిజిట్స్ తీసుకుని వచ్చిన ప్రతి డిజిట్ని ఈవెన్ డిజిట్ అయితే +1 చేయండి. అంటే ఫస్ట్ డిజిట్ ఈజ్ 2, it will be converted into 3. Second digit is 4, it will be converted into 5. Third digit is 5, it will be converted into 4 because of odd digit. That is our requirement. Okay. N equals to int of input. First you can store some reverse number equal to 0 while n greater than 0. D equals to n modulus 10. N equals to n by 10. Then if D modulus 2 double equal to 0. If digit is even digit, then D equals to D plus 1. Else D equals to D minus 1. Then R equals to R into 10 plus D. N equals to STR of R. String in our chain. Reverse చేస్తారు పోతుంది కదా. Print n of colon -1. Reverse order. I think third test case I will check, no problem.